Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay, so today's video is going to be all about this hair that I have in my head right now from sunlighthair.com, I believe it is. The link is going to be down in the description box. I'm going to be giving you a few details about the wig, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I managed to lay this wig using only my Got To Be Glued freeze spray. So I didn't use any of the actual gel at all. I only used this freeze spray and it worked pretty good. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just stay tuned. But before we get into it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, smack your screen where the like button is, smack it where the subscribe button is, smack the comment section and leave a comment, smack the share button, and smack the links in my description box to follow me on all of my social media accounts. So yes, if you're interested, then just stay tuned. Okay y'all, so this wig that I have today is from Sunlight Hair. This is the box that it comes in. It says different hair, different life, which you already know. New hair, new me. Who this? But yes, it's Sunlight Hair. Just a little logo. You just open the box like this. You just slide it down. It came with a wig cap. The wig within this little Ziploc bag thing. So this is the wig. I got the 22-inch body wave hair. I believe it's Brazilian body wave. I'm gonna have the link down in the description box for y'all. This is it. The curls are pretty. I'm pretty sure though, when it gets wet and stuff, the curl will not be the same. So they did section out like some baby hair on the wig, but this frontal is not pre-plucked. So this is the cap construction, and yeah, this is all like the parting space you get. It's not that much. It is ear to ear. It has 3 combs in the front, one right here, here, and then there's one in the back, as you can see, and then there's also the adjustable straps. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bleach the knots on this wig. So while I'm waiting for the knots to bleach, I think I'll like take a shower. So like I'll be back, but my eyebrows might not be back, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay y'all, so this is the wig on my head. I bleached the knots and I also dyed this hair midnight blue, and all I did was cut the lace off as well. So this is how it's looking. I told y'all the curl pattern would definitely change. So this is like the natural wave of the hair. Let me move back because it's super long. Yeah, that's how long it is. The bleach like bled through, but I like really don't care because I'm still determined to slay this wig anyway. So I'm going to be showing y'all how I lay down my wig with just the Got To Be freeze spray. So I already adjusted my adjustable strap. I do have a shirt on, by the way. I am going to put powder in the parting space. Speaking of it, this is all the parting you get. It's about 3 inches of parting, which I wish it was more parting, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna put powder in this whole parting area right here, and then I'll be back. I'm sure y'all don't need me to show y'all how to put powder in the part, so I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I put powder all on the lace. Now I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, and you already know I'm about to section off some baby hair. So I cut the baby hair. Now I'm gonna move my wig back a little bit. Let me brush out a little bit, just a little bit of my edges as well. And I do have on the wig cap back there. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna keep this on for a little bit about this hair though. I'm noticing that it does like shed a lot when I run my fingers through the hair. Running my fingers through it. And look. And that happens every time I run my fingers through it, so yeah. Other than that, it's not bad. I like the pattern and everything. I think it's cute. I think it's pretty, all that. But yeah, I'll be back in about, I don't know, like 15 minutes. Alright, I'm back. So let's see how this turns out. That's just water right there that I just put there. But y'all, this looks good though. Y'all, it really works. Like, look. That's crazy. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look right here. If you enjoyed this wig, then I am going to be sure to leave the link down in the description box for y'all. This is from Sunlight Hair, and I'll leave all of the information in the description box, like I said already. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the shit out of your screen right where that subscribe button is, and you might as well hit the notification bell because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict. Also, before you go, be sure to also check the link in the description box to all of my social media accounts and like follow me and all that. Y'all know I reply back, all that. So adios.